Page 52, Jesus is all the world to me. This is in the key of F major, got one flat. All the B's are going to be B flats. 3/4 time. Dotted rhythms again, 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2. That's about it. Rhythm I'm hoping is not a problem here. They don't throw a lot at you. You're pretty much in this position. Whatever, for the most part. Left hand just has primary chords pretty much. It's 1 chord, 4 chord, 5, 7 chord, 1 chord. Second line is the same ones broken up. Last line, B natural on that one. And then the last two measures, look at the fingering. I like this fingering. It's 5, 4, 2, 1. That's the fingering for the chord, so that's what I recommend. I know some teachers will teach 3. I disagree. I recommend 4th finger. Page 53, coming up here. Yeah. Third line down, second measure, you got an A flat. And then the last measure, remember it's an A natural because that flat is only good for that measure. Nowhere else. So that's pretty much it. You have a pause at the end of the third line, so we're going to pause for 1 count. Just complete silence for 1 count, and then we'll go on. For the pedaling, it's legato pedaling throughout a lot of it. They don't pedal some measures because it would get really blurry and messy if you did. But otherwise, you can just pedal the way they're showing you to pedal. I don't have a problem with it. Watch out on the melody. The right hand gets it most of the time. Bring it out. We want to hear the melody. So do that. But then if you take a look over at the top of page 53, the left hand gets it for 1 beat. Watch out. So that 1A in the left hand has to be as loud as the rest of it. Second line's the same thing. So you're playing soft for 1 note loud. And then soft again. So just briefly on the dynamics. You can feel it, but look at the third line on page 53. Now you're building up to the climax of the piece, which is the last measure of that line. So you're starting out medium loud. And then the third measure, now you're going to start growing to loud. That's where you let it head. Then you hold on to that and then you pause, and then all of a sudden it's soft. And it's very effective if you can do that. It's really very nice. Now a little bit on the pedaling I like to adjust because I want to hear the phrasing. Don't have to, but this is what I'm recommending. In the second and third lines on page 52 in the last measure, we're ending a phrase on each of those lines. I like the pedal come up with the right hand, and then it can go back down after you play the last note in the measure. So in the second line, the last 2 measures, it would be this way. So I'm going to lift the pedal up with the right hand, and I'll push it down right after I play the last note. So I get silence in the right hand. The left hand stays down, it's legato. For the third line, don't pedal the last note. Just lift it up for the last note. So the last 2 measures of the third line is that. And then you can push the pedal down after you play the notes in the next line. So I can hear the phrasing. Let's try this out slowly together. I don't have a lot to say on it. This is pretty straightforward. Moderately, how fast would you like to go? It's kind of depends on the mood you're in. It's a love song again. Just lift up between each of the phrases in the right hand so we hear phrasing. We're going to go slow because I just want to check notes and rhythms and pedaling. So I'll give us 3 counts. Let's play it together. So the right hand is here to start. Left hand's here and the foot's on the pedal. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3. 2. 2. 3, pause. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Tie. 2. Repeat. And 2. 2. 2, hold, 2, rest. 2, 3. 2, 3, pause. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Tie. 2, 3. 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3.